Lena. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to LJ Gamers. Today I'm here with my friend Joe.
Hi.
And today we are playing Epic Minigames.
Yay.
So, yeah, we are sorry we haven't uploaded in a while. School started, so we're gonna be uploading less.
Why do I have a red block?
I don't know. They've updated the game. Hide the blue somewhere. Where am I? Hey, don't look at my screen. I think it's like a finding thing. I'm gonna move my screen so you don't find it. Wait, no. What?
Team?
I'm on blue team.
I'm on red.
Okay, we need to find red blocks. We need to find red blocks.
I'm not finding blue blocks.
Why? Because you were on red team?
Do I press them? Do I press the blocks?
I don't know. Blue team wins. Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go, boys.
Why do you guys always win?
Lena, Joe wants to talk to you. Yes, Yas team.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm good at this one.
Which one?
This one. You need to run up the building without getting hit.
Oh, I like die completely on these ones. I mean, I die right away.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here I go, boys.
Please no.
Okay, and
It's not fun.
go. I'm first already. Oh, people got hit. Oh, first. Yeah, yeet. Down.
Wait, who is that? No.
Oh, boys. Yas queen.
Dang it! I didn't die. Hurry. Oh.
Oh.
Wait, he just went through the wall.
Who? Oh, I'm winning. Oh, I'm winning. Oh, yeah. Whoa, first place, let's go. Nice. Oh, Lena's going to make it. Lena made it too. Joe, did you make it?
I'm on level 3. I did it.
Nice.
That was hard.
How did that kid? It said they
Remember
got
I had where the walls were in. I'm 4-1.
Oh, this one's hard. The light.
The one path. Only one path.
And it's like the light shows you where to go. I just follow other people.
I know.
So
That's what they do on the blue and green and yellow and red one.
Okay.
I just like following people. Oof, what? Castle sliding.
Oh, jeez, oh God. Jojo. Oh, Joe. No. Okay, I'm following this girl.
I died.
Okay. Oh my gosh, there's only one winner? That is not right. They should give us an amount of time.
And they should give us like a whole thing.
This is rigged. Guys, if you didn't see the intro video, go check it out and say if you like it or not, and if you want us to try to put it in the front of our videos from now on.
Cake delivery is so hard.
Cake delivery is fun.
I like it, but it's hard.
I always start I'm gonna start in the middle.
I want to start by a door.
2, 1, go. 35.
I have 29.
35. Oh, is that 35? No, that's 3.
35 is over here by me.
Where? Oh, I see
You're
it.
welcome.
Thank you. Next. Oh yeah, let's go.
Do you know what 29 is?
I got first place, boys. 9?
29.
29.
20.
Go that way. You don't have to follow the path. Uh,
Dang it!
Apparently I came in second place then. I'm good at that one. I love cake delivery. Cake delivery is fun.
I guess.
Yeah, it's fun.
I saw.
When high pressure. I'm always the controller for this one.
Well,
If I'm the controller,
I'll be the controller.
then
This game
this
is
is
rigged.
meant to be.
This game is meant to be. Please be the controller. Can I please be the?
Dang it, not the
I'm
controller.
the controller. I'm just kidding.
No, you're not. It's a girl with
This
a paper.
stupid girl is the controller.
Joe, let's go, boys.
I want to be the controller or something.
Wow.
I remember I was the controller of the bowling ball and I got you.
I already died. I wasn't paying attention to my screen.
Died. No, I did.
Let's spectate Lena. Oh, or we could spectate players. Oh, that girl's head just fell off.
Don't follow this.
Go, Lena. Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
I'm
go,
not following
Lena,
the smoke, so I'm
Lena.
fine.
Lena, I think smoke is gonna come up near you.
Oh, the polar
I'm right here. I just have to stay here the whole time.
No, there's things under you, like right now. You survived! Oh my gosh, Lena, go, Lena, go. Pink hair girl. Oh, go, Lena. Oh yeah, go, Lena.
Lena.
This girl. Oh, you're gonna win. 2, 1. You won, Lena.
Yay!
You got first place.
I did.
Nice.
You guys did good too.
I wasn't even paying attention to my computer screen.
Are you
I wasn't either, but then I
play on
win.
Mac. I just play on Mac.
How do you Jack? Oh, never mind.
Oh, ooh.
I'm playing
Is this the one where you have the ice guns or something and you like freeze people?
Oh, I like that one.
with fun.
That's fun. I hope I'm on you and Joe's team.
Oh, I'm on red. Oh, me and Joe are on a team.
Dang it!
I am coming for you.
When I wish I never did it.
I'm getting freeze rays. I need a freeze ray.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I got my freeze ray, boys. Where are you?
Don't look at my screen.
Where are my enemies at?
I killed some people.
Oh, dang. Oh, dang.
Dude.
Nope.
And your
Nope,
teammates have to come get you,
Nope.
right?
No, boys. No, boys.
I got someone.
Boom! How did I not get you?
Ice is everywhere.
Lee.
No!
Yes! Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Joe.
Timmy!
Oh,
No
beach
one
whale.
likes me.
Back. Nope.
My team sucks.
Nope. Yeah. Oh, I got him. Let's go. Red wins.
Oh, for you.
I got the last person. I shot him when he was in midair.
But did you win?
Yes, I won.
Wow.
Lol, my team was bad. No, it
Oh,
was just you.
Oh, there's the marble.
Oh, Lena, this is like your favorite, right?
Yeah.
She loves
You
them.
look bad.
Lena loves the marble games.
I'm in pink. I'm in pink.
Marble Madness, Valley.
Wait,
Oh wait, no, it's like soccer. You want to push the ball,
Push the balls into the
push
net.
balls into the red.
Push on my team.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Clover.
Okay, Lena, push him into red.
Okay.
Yes,
I'll
blue.
help.
Yes,
You
blue.
got one. You
Yes,
push
blue.
them into.
Yeah, no, you push him into red.
What do you push them into?
We both push him into red
I
because we're red team. Joe, you just went flying.
just died.
Oh, purple. Yes. Okay, got for that one.
Here,
Oops.
orange. Orange.
Here's this one. Go. Oh, yes. Yeah, boys. Okay, got that one.
Get the
Oh.
blue one.
They're just like giving.
What's wrong with you?
No,
Give me
no,
the
no, no.
blue. No, this blue girl's trying to steal the red.
Joe, thank you. I'm taking this orange one from you.
Stop it.
Yay!
This girl's going bars on her shoulders.
Can you get out of this?
Jackson, help us.
Oh.
We're struggling.
No, we're actually winning, Lena.
No, I mean, we're struggling over here with this ball. It's the stupid girl.
Boom!
The whole
Red team wins 8-6. Let's go.
Yay! Yes, red one. Hallelujah.
Okay, guys, I think we're going to have to end it here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the bell. And we'll see you next time. Bye.